tutorial. Have you guys ever wanted to take your picture out of the background? Well, with this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to use that with this $50 software today. Now, that software I'm talking about is Affinity Designer. We've used it a couple times on this channel already to make thumbnails, but today I want to show you guys how to take the backgrounds out of your images. So like if you want to take your photo of yourself outside of an image, you can do that. So let's get into that. Same as the other one, you want to create a new document. I'm going to go with 1920 by 1080 because we're going to be making a decent picture here. So let's create. Control and scroll on the wheel to scroll in and out. And then if you use your middle mouse scroll button, you can drag and pull your image around. As you can see, we got a duck here. And if you've seen one of our previous videos, you probably know where this came from. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to take this duck out of this background because we don't have a .png, so we don't want this white background. So I'm going to come over here to the pixel persona, selection brush tool. We're going to keep, usually this defaults to, I think, 50 pixels. So I'm going to go ahead and up it to 50 pixels. And we're going to select what we want to keep. Now, as you can see, it's selecting the duck. And this duck actually has some pretty defined straight edges. Select everything on the inside. Now, as you can see, there's like a little bit here. This is not as straight as the lines it could be. Let's go ahead and run this down to a 20 pixel brush. So I'm going to select on the brush tool again. We're going to control zoom in. Now, if you press Alt on your keyboard and you bring that in, if you choose Alt and you pull in like you did there, you're going to choose not to select that part. All right, let's see here. Now I can use the refine edge tool on this because there's a little bit where there's some like iffy lines like here, not as straight as I want it to be. So we're going to use this refine edge tool. So come up here and select refine. Anything that's red is what it's going to take out. Make sure matte is selected. 50 pixels is fine. And just go through here and select the edge of the duck. All right, apply. Now, as you can see, how much more square this is here. I'm gonna go here to selection tool. So this right here is a little off, but this is better down here than what it was. It's more of a straight line than that big old jagged line that was there. All right, and once you've selected everything that you want to get cut out, you're gonna select this little mask button right here, and it's gonna take out the background. I'm gonna control and scroll out. Ooh, it's Control Z. Now, if you still grab this, you're just gonna move the mask. All right, so I'm gonna Control Z, get that back to where it's supposed to be. Make sure you click off of the picture, Control D to get rid of the marching ants. You're gonna come up here and go File, Export. Export it as a PNG. I'm gonna keep the same resolution. When you click Export, a pop-up window is gonna come up and you're gonna choose the location that you want to save this to. All right, so I've selected the location I wanna save this to. I'm gonna go up here, I'm gonna go File, I'm gonna go New. And we're gonna open up a 1920 by, we're gonna open up a 1280 by 720. I'm gonna create it. So if you come over here, you still got this one, and you're gonna have this one. Come over here, I'm gonna find that duck, I'm gonna drag it in here. Now you can resize this duck however you see fit. Well, everyone, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you guys learned something from it. I stream live every Sunday and Monday night at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time on Twitch. That is twitch.tv/NicksDrive. Link for that is down in the description below, along with my Discord if you want any updates whenever I do go live. Also on my Discord, I got a lot of free templates for you guys to use that I've collected there. All you got to do is go to the free template section in my Discord and download. There's a rampart in there somewhere.
Oh, she blocked the door. Oh, she's
I had to go hide, guys.
No worries. Did you guys need anything? My ult pressure, by the way. And popping up.
Marking our surroundings.
Placing gas trap.
The gods bless me. Trust in the old father.
Up in a bat.
My vision is clear.
Nice, good knock.
Back here.
Oh, they have a Watson. Pylon.
Shields are recharging.
I somehow got out of there. I'm healing.
No ammo. Ah, good game, guys. What a fight.